Feel younger after 50. 10 science-backed energy fixes. You wake up after a full night's sleep and still feel exhausted. By noon, you're already reaching for another cup of coffee. And by the afternoon, your energy completely crashes. If you're over 50, this isn't just aging. It's a set of hidden mistakes that are quietly draining your energy every single day. And once you understand them, everything starts to change. The energy problem no one talks about. You wake up, but your body doesn't feel ready to start the day. Your mind feels slow, your energy feels low, and even small tasks seem heavier than they used to. After 50, this isn't just about getting older, it's about how your body is changing internally. Your metabolism slows, your hormones shift, and your daily habits begin to affect you more than ever before. What most people don't realize is that energy loss doesn't happen suddenly. It builds over time through small patterns, habits that quietly drain your energy every single day. But once you understand those patterns, you can start reversing them. Your body is not broken, it's adapting. Your body is constantly adjusting to how you live. After 50, muscle mass naturally declines, and that affects how much energy your body produces. Your cells become slightly less efficient at converting food into usable energy. At the same time, your body becomes more sensitive to poor sleep, stress, and nutrition. What didn't affect you before now has a much bigger impact. This doesn't mean your body is failing. It means your body needs a different approach. The hidden role of your morning hormones. Every morning, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that helps you wake up and feel alert. This natural spike is meant to give you energy. But when your routine disrupts it, like checking your phone immediately or drinking coffee too early, it weakens this natural system. Over time, your body stops producing energy efficiently on its own. You begin to depend on external boosts like caffeine instead of your natural rhythm. Delay your first coffee. Most people drink coffee too early. Right after waking, your cortisol is already high. Adding caffeine at that moment reduces its effectiveness. This leads to energy crashes later in the day. Waiting 60 to 90 minutes allows your body to wake up naturally first. Then when you drink coffee, it actually works better and lasts longer. Hydrate before anything else. After several hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Even mild dehydration reduces blood flow and oxygen delivery. That directly affects your energy levels. Starting your day with water helps your body wake up faster. It supports your metabolism, your brain function, and your circulation. A simple habit like this can change how your entire morning feels. Get natural light early. Sunlight is one of the most powerful energy signals for your body. It tells your brain that it's time to be awake. It resets your internal clock and improves alertness. Without it, your body stays in a low energy state. Even a few minutes outside can make a noticeable difference. Move your body immediately. Energy doesn't come from rest alone. It comes from movement. When you move your body, you increase circulation. Oxygen and nutrients reach your cells more efficiently. This activates your muscles and signals your brain to become alert. You don't need intense exercise. Even light movement can wake up your entire system. Stabilize your blood sugar early. Your first meal sets the tone for your energy levels. If you start with sugar or refined carbs, your energy spikes, then crashes. This creates fatigue and cravings throughout the day. Balanced meals with protein and healthy fats keep your energy stable. They prevent sudden drops and help your body stay consistent. Stop letting your phone drain your energy. The moment you wake up, your brain is in a calm, focused state. Checking your phone immediately floods it with information and stress. This overload drains mental energy before your day even begins. Giving yourself time without screens helps maintain clarity and control. Create a consistent wake-up time. Your body runs on rhythm. Waking up at different times confuses your internal clock. This affects hormone release and energy production. Consistency trains your body to wake up naturally. Over time, your energy becomes more predictable and stable. Reduce hidden stress load. Not all stress is obvious. Small daily pressures, noise, notifications, rushing, build up over time. Your body responds by releasing stress hormones. This drains your energy slowly but constantly. Reducing unnecessary stress helps your body conserve energy. Support your nutrient levels. Your body needs the right nutrients to produce energy. Deficiencies in vitamins like B12 and D can lead to fatigue. After 50, your body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Supporting your nutrition helps your cells function properly. Improve sleep quality, not just quantity. Sleeping longer doesn't always mean sleeping better. After 50, deep sleep becomes harder to achieve. Without deep sleep, your body doesn't fully recover. Improving your sleep environment and routine can restore energy levels. How small habits create big energy changes. Energy is not controlled by one single factor. It's the result of multiple small habits working together. Each habit either supports your body or works against it. When you align these habits, your energy naturally improves. Your energy is trainable. Most people believe energy just declines with age. But energy is something your body can rebuild. When you give your body the right signals, it responds. It adapts, improves, and becomes more efficient again. The shift from quick fixes to real solutions. Quick fixes provide temporary energy, but they don't solve the root problem. Real energy comes from consistency, not shortcuts. Your daily routine determines how you feel. What happens when you apply these fixes? When these changes come together, your body begins to operate differently. Energy becomes more stable. Your mind feels clearer. Your body feels lighter. You're no longer relying on constant boosts. Building a routine that works with your body. Your routine should support your natural rhythm. Simple adjustments create powerful results. Your body performs best when it's not being forced, but supported. Why most people stay tired. Most people repeat the same habits every day. They don't realize those habits are draining them. Without awareness, nothing changes. Understanding is the first step toward improvement. Key turning point. Once you recognize what's affecting your energy, everything shifts. You start making better choices naturally. Your body begins responding differently. And your energy starts to return in a way that feels steady and reliable. Momentum builds over time. Small changes don't just improve one day. They build momentum. Each better habit supports the next one. And over time, your entire energy system improves. Living with more energy after 50. Energy is not something you lose permanently. It's something you can rebuild with the right approach. Your body still has the ability to perform. It just needs the right conditions. Moving forward with awareness. The more you understand your body, the better decisions you make. Energy becomes something you control, not something you chase. And your daily life begins to feel easier, lighter, and more manageable. The role of consistency in energy. Consistency is where real change begins. Your body doesn't respond to what you do once. It responds to what you do repeatedly. When your sleep, meals, movement, and routines become predictable, your body stops wasting energy trying to adjust. Instead, it begins to operate more efficiently. Energy becomes smoother, more stable, and easier to maintain throughout the day. Why energy feels unpredictable. Many people feel energetic one day and completely drained the next. This inconsistency usually comes from irregular habits. Late nights, skipped meals, dehydration, or stress spikes create fluctuations in how your body performs. Your body thrives on rhythm. When that rhythm breaks, your energy follows. The connection between mind and energy. Energy is not only physical, it's also mental. Your thoughts, focus, and emotional state influence how energized you feel. When your mind is overloaded, your body responds with fatigue. Clarity and calm thinking reduce unnecessary energy drain. How overthinking drains your energy. Constant thinking, worrying, or planning keeps your brain in an active state. This continuous mental activity consumes energy. Even when your body is resting, your mind may still be working. Reducing mental clutter creates space for your energy to recover. The importance of breaks. Working continuously without breaks reduces productivity and energy. Short pauses allow your brain and body to reset. Even a few minutes away from work can restore focus. Breaks are not a waste of time. They are essential for maintaining energy. Your environment affects your energy. Your surroundings influence how you feel. Dark, cluttered, or noisy environments can drain your energy. Bright, clean, and calm spaces help you stay focused and alert. Small changes in your environment can create noticeable improvements. The power of fresh air. Fresh air increases oxygen levels in your body. More oxygen means better energy production at the cellular level. Spending time outdoors can refresh both your body and mind. It's one of the simplest ways to feel more awake. Posture and energy levels. The way you sit and stand affects your energy. Poor posture restricts breathing and circulation. This limits oxygen delivery and reduces alertness. Improving posture can instantly make you feel more energized. Digestion and energy. Your body uses energy to digest food. Heavy, processed meals require more effort to break down. This can leave you feeling tired after eating. Lighter, balanced meals support steady energy instead of draining it. The midday energy dip explained. Many people feel tired in the afternoon. This is a natural dip in your body's rhythm. But poor habits make it worse. Stable meals, hydration, and movement can reduce this crash. Movement throughout the day. Energy is not built once. It needs to be maintained. Long periods of inactivity slow your system down. Regular movement keeps your body active and alert. Even small actions can make a difference. The impact of long-term habits. Your current energy level is a result of past habits. What you've been doing for years shapes how you feel today. Changing habits now begins to shape your future energy. Your body responds over time. Rebuilding energy step by step. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 improvements. Let your body adjust gradually. Small steps create lasting change. Awareness creates control. When you understand what affects your energy, you gain control. You begin to notice patterns. You recognize what helps and what drains you. This awareness allows better decisions. Energy and daily choices. Every choice you make has an impact. What you eat, how you move, how you rest. All of it matters. Energy is built through daily actions, not through one big change. Building a sustainable lifestyle. Temporary changes don't last. Your goal should be sustainability. A routine you can follow consistently. That's what creates long-term energy. Your body responds over time. Changes don't happen instantly, but your body is always adapting. With the right habits, your energy gradually improves. And over time, those improvements become your new normal. The new baseline of energy. As your habits improve, your baseline changes. What once felt normal, constant tiredness, begins to fade. Your body starts operating at a higher level. Energy becomes more natural. The shift you start to notice. You begin waking up with more clarity. Your focus improves. You rely less on quick fixes. Your day feels more manageable. Strength and energy go together. Physical strength supports energy. Stronger muscles improve circulation and metabolism. This helps your body produce and maintain energy. Even light strength training can make a difference. Your body is still capable. After 50, your body still has the ability to improve. It responds to the signals you give it. It adapts to better habits. It rebuilds over time. Long-term energy is built daily. Energy is not something you find. It's something you build. Through consistency, awareness, and better choices. Every day contributes to how you feel. As you start applying these changes, something begins to shift. Not all at once, but gradually. You may notice that your mornings feel a little easier. Your energy becomes more stable. And the constant need for quick fixes starts to fade. That's because your body is no longer working against you. It's finally working with you. The habits you build each day send powerful signals to your body. Signals that tell it how to perform, how to recover, and how to produce energy. And when those signals are consistent, your body responds in a way that feels natural, steady, and reliable. This isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about making small adjustments that align with how your body actually works after 50. Because once you understand that, everything becomes easier to manage. On this channel, we focus on simple, practical, and science-based ways to help you stay active, clear-minded, and energized as you age. If you found value in this video, take a moment to like it. It helps more people discover this content. And if you want to keep learning how to improve your energy, your health, and your daily life after 50, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Your energy is not gone, it's just waiting for the right conditions. And with the right habits in place, your body is fully capable of feeling stronger, lighter, and more alive again. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to like it. It really helps more people discover this content. And if you want simple, science-based tips to stay healthy and energized after 50, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay consistent, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy, stay energized.